Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu Benchmark video between the Huawei Mate 20 Pro against the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So it's going to be the Kirin 980 versus the Exynos 9810. Both of these phones have 6GB of RAM and they are both on performance mode. Now with that being said, let's get started. So the Mate 20 Pro finished first and it scored the highest. And in the breakdown of the categories, you can also see it scored the highest for the CPU, for the GPU, the UX, and finally the memory. So that wraps it up for this video. What did you think of this comparison? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If it is your first time here, then please do consider subscribing as I have more videos coming up, including the iPhone XR. There will be speed tests and camera comparisons. I am also planning to get the Pixel 3 and the OnePlus 6T, and you can see videos on that. So make sure you have your bell notification enabled. Please do follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.